how to fix email not showing up in Hostinger. So if you want to fix your email is not showing up in your Hostinger, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser and then go with Hostinger support or come over to the help section of your Hostinger. Now here it's going to ask you to select a topic. You need to go with the right side and go with the drop down and you will find some options. You can have account management, billing, or new services. We're going to go with the account management option. Once you do that, you need to simply click on start a live chat. Now, what that does is it's going to start a live chat with the people of Hostinger. And what you are going to do is over here, you need to click on send a message. And in your message, you're going to write, my emails are not being received. Simply write it and you're going to send that to them. Now, once you send this in a live chat agent, maybe even the AI will be able to address you with your issue. And they should generally fix it in the background because usually what happens is your domain usually gets stuffed with a lot of cache memory and a lot of other things. So it's a whole thing that they will fix back. So that's how you can fix your email is not showing up in your Hostinger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.